What's up, guys? Today's video is on the Vivo X200 Pro, a phone that promises groundbreaking performance, incredible cameras, and a design that stands out. Priced at around $796 or $94.99, let's dive into what makes this device so special and whether it's worth your money. Let's start with the design. The Vivo X200 Pro is all about elegance and durability. It features a glass front, an aluminum alloy frame, and the option of either a glass or glass fiber back. The latter gives it a unique texture, providing a better grip while still feeling premium. At 8.2 to 8.5 mm thick and weighing between 223 green and 228 Gr, it has a solid premium heft to it. And if you're worried about durability, the phone is IP68, IP69 rated, making it resistant to dust and water for up to 30 minutes at a depth of 1.5 meters. It's perfect for those accidental spills or a quick rinse under the tap. Vivo also gives you multiple color options: Cosmos Black, Titanium Gray, Blue, and White, each offering a sleek and modern look. Next, let's talk about the display, which is one of the standout features of the Vivo X200 Pro. You're looking at a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel capable of displaying 1 billion colors with a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. It supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, ensuring richer colors and deeper contrasts. Show outdoor usage under direct sunlight. The display peaks at an insane 4,500 nits of brightness, making it the brightest display on the market right now. This means you'll have no trouble using it even under direct sunlight. It's also protected by armor glass, offering resistance to scratches and drops, so you don't need to worry too much about everyday wear and tear. Show the immersive experience of video playback and gaming. With a 1260x2800 resolution and a 20.9 aspect ratio, this display is not just sharp but incredibly immersive for watching content and playing games. Performance is where the Vivo X200 Pro truly shines. It's powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, which is built on an advanced 3nm process for better efficiency and speed. The CPU features a Cortex X925 core, clocked at 3.63 GHz, making it one of the fastest processors available today. Paired with the Immortalis G925 GPU, this phone can handle anything from high-end gaming to AI-intensive tasks. In benchmarks, the Vivo X200 Pro scores an impressive 2.92 million on Antutu, 8632 on Geekbench 6, and 6853 on 3DMark Wildlife Extreme. These numbers put it among the top-performing smartphones of 2024. Whether you're switching between heavy apps, playing Genshin Impact on ultra settings, or editing videos, the X200 Pro delivers lag-free performance. And with storage options going up to 1 TB with 16 GB RAM, you'll never have to worry about space or multitasking performance. Now, let's move on to one of the Vivo X200 Pro's biggest selling points: its camera setup. This phone is designed to redefine smartphone photography. You get a 50mm wide-angle lens with OIS and laser autofocus, a massive 200mm periscope telephoto lens with 3.7x optical zoom and macro capabilities, and a 50mm ultra-wide lens with autofocus. Vivo has partnered with Zeiss optics, bringing features like the Zeiss T-lens coating, which minimizes glare and enhances image quality. Low-light photography is exceptional thanks to the advanced image sensors, and the telephoto lens captures stunning detail even at a distance. Macro photography is equally impressive, letting you focus on objects as close as 2.7x. For video, it supports 8K recording at 30 FPS with gyro EIS, along with Dolby Vision HDR and 10-bit log video support for creators. The front 32MP ultra-wide selfie camera isn't left behind. It takes vibrant selfies and can record in 4K, making it a great option for vloggers and content creators. Battery life is another strong point for the Vivo X200 Pro. It comes with a 6,000 mAh silicon carbon battery that easily lasts more than a day of heavy usage. In our tests, it clocked a remarkable 14 hours and 56 minutes of active screen time. When it comes to charging, Vivo includes a 90W wired charger in the box, which takes the battery from 0 to 100% in just under 40 minutes. There's also 30W wireless charging, and you can even use the phone for reverse wired charging to top up your accessories. The Vivo X200 Pro is packed with additional features. It runs on Android 15 with Vivo's FunTouch OS 15 internationally or Origin OS 5 in China. Vivo guarantees 4 major Android updates, so your phone stays relevant for years to come. You also get Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and optional satellite connectivity, which is a game changer for areas with poor cellular coverage. The under-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner is fast and reliable, and stereo speakers deliver rich audio enhanced by high-res audio certification. The only downside? There's no 3.5mm headphone jack, but you do get USB-C 3.2 with OTG support. At $796 or 94,999 rupees, the Vivo X200 Pro sits in the premium flagship category. It goes head-to-head with phones like the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro, offering similar features at a more competitive price. With its breathtaking display, powerful performance, stellar cameras, and long-lasting battery, the Vivo X200 Pro is undoubtedly one of the best flagships of 2024. If you're looking for a phone that delivers on all fronts, this one should be on your radar. And that's it for today's review. What do you think about the Vivo X200 Pro? Is it the next flagship killer, or does it fall short? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.